In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Claude AI. If you want to use Claude inside Canva to help with ideas, writing, or creative workflow, the setup is very straightforward. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without getting stuck. Start by going to the Canva homepage and making sure you're signed into your Canva account. Once you're on the home screen, take a look at the left-hand side of the page. This is where Canva keeps many of its navigation options and tools. Next, on the left side, click on the three dots. This usually opens up more options that aren't shown in the main menu right away. If you don't immediately notice it, just scan the sidebar carefully because it can be easy to overlook depending on your screen size or layout. After that, click on Apps. This will take you to Canva's app area where you can browse and add integrations, tools, and extensions that work inside Canva. This section is useful whenever you want to expand Canva's features beyond the default tools. Once you're in the apps area, go to the search bar and type in Claude. Searching directly is the fastest way to find the app, especially since Canva offers a large number of integrations. Make sure you spell Claude correctly so the right result appears. When the Claude app shows up in the search results, select Claude. This opens the app page where you'll be able to review the integration and begin the connection process. If you see multiple related results, choose the one specifically labeled Claude. From there, click on Connect to Claude and then follows the prompts on your screen. Canva will guide you through the remaining setup steps. Depending on your account status, you may be asked to confirm permissions or sign in to complete the connection. Just read each prompt carefully and continue through the authorization process until the integration is finished. Once the connection is complete, Canva and Claude should be linked and ready to use together. If something doesn't work right away, a quick refresh or reopening the app inside Canva can sometimes help. Also, make sure you're using the correct account if you have more than one. That's all it takes to connect Canva to Claude AI. As you can see, the process is simple once you know where to click, and it only takes a few moments to set up.